Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we bring the best of health tips and tricks right at your fingertips. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most overlooked herbs that is packed with amazing health benefits: parsley. Did you know that parsley is not just a pretty garnish on your plate, but a superfood that can magically transform your health? Well, today we're going to unveil the 10 powerful health benefits of parsley that you never knew about. Detoxification. First and foremost, parsley is an excellent detoxifier that flushes out the harmful toxins from your body. It contains compounds like myristicin, apigenin, and eugenol that help stimulate the liver's detoxification enzymes, thus purifying your blood and promoting optimal health. Immune booster. If you want to boost your immunity and fight off the seasonal cold and flu, parsley is your go-to herb. It's loaded with immune-boosting vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K, which strengthens your immune system and improves your overall well-being. Anti-inflammatory properties. Parsley is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants that possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it an ideal herb to alleviate the symptoms of chronic diseases like arthritis, diabetes, asthma, and heart disease. Cardiovascular health. Several studies have demonstrated that parsley is beneficial for cardiovascular health. It contains a compound called apigenin that has anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, thus mitigating the risk of heart disease. Digestive health. Parsley is an excellent digestive aid that helps alleviate several digestive problems such as bloating, constipation, and flatulence. The herb contains fiber and enzymes that promote optimal digestion, thus promoting a healthy gut. Anti-cancer properties. Parsley is a rich source of antioxidants and other cancer-fighting compounds that inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis. The herb has been linked to a lower risk of colon, breast, and lung cancers, making it an excellent addition to your anti-cancer diet. Anti-diabetic properties. Several studies have shown that parsley has anti-diabetic properties that help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity in the body. This makes it a natural remedy for managing diabetes and mitigating its complications. Anti-anxiety properties. Parsley is rich in a flavonoid called apigenin that possesses anxiolytic properties that help alleviate anxiety symptoms. The herb also contains other compounds such as myristicin and eugenol that have a relaxing effect on the brain, thus providing a calming effect. Bone health. If you want to improve your bone health, parsley is your friend. It's a rich source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone metabolism, thus promoting strong bones and mitigating the risk of osteoporosis. Fresh breath. Finally, parsley is an excellent natural remedy for bad breath. The herb contains chlorophyll that helps neutralize the odor-causing compounds in the mouth, thus providing fresh breath. There you have it. 10 compelling reasons to add parsley to your diet ASAP. From detoxification to fresh breath, parsley is a herb that's both versatile and packed with health benefits. So, next time you see parsley on your plate, don't treat it like a mere garnish, but a superfood that can nourish your body from within. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting health content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.